In this video I will show you everything you need to know about this universal remote control and also how to connect and pair it to your TV. So what's absolutely cool about this specific universal remote is that it can be used with really any brand TV. So yeah, if you want to start using it, obviously you will have to insert two batteries in it, and then we need to connect it to your TV. So first you have to understand what kind of TV brand you have. For example, I have a Samsung TV that I will connect to. But yeah, so if you have any of these brands, so it even says how to connect it. So which buttons you have to press. So simply find your brand here, but also I'll show you different methods as well, if for example it doesn't work this way. So for example for Samsung, so on this remote, I would first press and hold the set and then number 3. So hold the set and then the number 3, and you see it starts to blink. That means it's connected and it's in this Samsung mode, for example, for me. So if I check, so you see, the remote works absolutely perfect. For example, I can easily increase volume here, decrease the volume. Also I can turn off the TV, and as you can also turn it on, change channels and pretty much everything. So absolutely excellent remote. And if that method didn't work for you, there are other methods how to connect it. So you can pause the video and see here. So for example, what you can do is, while pointing this remote at your TV, you can simply hold the set button, and once you see that the volume increases on your TV, you simply release it and it should be set for your TV. So again, we hold the set button until volume increases on your TV. So I'm holding the set and keep holding it till you see volume increase. It might take up to several minutes sometimes. Okay, so once you see the volume increasing, release the set button and it also should be working now. So I see, works absolutely great. And finally, also with your remote, we are getting this absolutely massive list over here. So if the first method did not work for you, then you can simply inspect this list and try to find your exact remote. For example, let's say your remote is this one. So it would be the code 031. So to set it, simply press the set plus power at the same time. So see, it stays constant and then we enter that code. For example, 031. And it's now set. So if you need the list, so you can simply maybe pause the video here and try to find your remote here. So feel free to pause and try to find your remote here. I see it also lists the brand names underneath. Okay. And then also on the other side as well. And finally, also if you want to lock the remote, so if you do not want anyone to change the frequency, you simply press the set plus OK to lock it and also unlock it after that. And overall this remote actually looks very, very impressive indeed. Not only it's super cheap, but also works absolutely great with pretty much any TV. Good luck.